Hello everyone, this video is of the activity we did in class today. Okay, what things are needed to make this craft? First, black color, glue stick and one craft paper. Let's start. First fold like this and second fold like this. Now open, then fold like this, again fold like this and fold like this. Put the thumb inside and fold like this. Turn and next side fold like this. Okay, and see this. First fold and second fold. This is a fish. Now open stick and stick here firstly. Now turn here, stick and paste it like this. Now we are making eyes and mouth. Firstly we are making mouth, fish and eyes. Then next eyes and fin like this. This is a fish. This fish is pasted on your scrapbook. Okay, thank you.